actually raining here, and we are actually heading towards the Edinburgh trip. So let's see. I hope it will be a sunny day soon. Hey, Rana. Okay, it's your vlog or what?
It's your vlog, but
You're posting it. और कैसा फील हो रहा है? कितना टिकट था?
टिकट बहुत महंगा था. Pikas and off Pikas, different things are there.
Oh, okay. It's not like India.
Not like
Ticket na nikalo और चढ़ जाओ. Okay, fine. So you're waiting for the train right now.
Yeah.
Wait.
Something will happen. I don't know how.
He's too excited than me.
Train will come from this side.
Why are you guessing so much?
This side. I'm just thinking, confused.
So finally he's in the train. How are you feeling?
Amazing.
I'm also feeling amazing. Look at him, how serious he is. So guys, finally we are here. Ranak, how are you feeling after the long train journey?
Worst.
Worst or great?
Boring. So but views was like nice.
Finally we are in Edinburgh. So guys, we are finally in the city tour bus, and I'm very much excited right now. Let's see what we can do. इसको map बड़ा पसंद. He loves maps. That's why he's actually spotted the zebra here. Finally, यहाँ पे zoo मुझे दिख गया. Okay guys, so actually suddenly the rain started coming and I have to film. Let's see. Maybe it is a rain trip today. But yeah, the atmosphere is very amazing. At least we are here. look at Ronak, how much he's कितना डर रहा है? He's scared, literally he's scared. Shut up. So guys, फिर से बारिश गिर गई यार. I mean, legit, suddenly here the weather changes like hell. It was sunny right before we entered the bus tour, and then suddenly it started raining here, and this is actual the situation here. I can show you. Now where is Hogwarts का रास्ता? That is Hogwarts का रास्ता. Guys, finally this is the end of journey. It was really raining a lot. It was frustrating for a time because yeah, it suddenly started raining like hell. Like we felt like we are in India for a minute. After that we went to Burger King. We had our dinner right here and took some muffins so we can eat. Ronak is vegetarian, so he didn't bought anything except the Fanta and French fries. But definitely this is our end trip. Right now we will be catching our trains and we will be in Delhi within 1 or 2 hours. Because actually, if I have to say, from Delhi to Edinburgh via bus, it takes at least 1 hour 20 minutes. Yeah, 25 minutes approx. And by train, it really takes a huge time. It really takes a huge time.